Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone only works on speaker. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. Many iPhone problems can be resolved by simply restarting the device. If you have not restarted your iPhone in a while, the RAM could not clear all the temporary data it has cached since the last reboot. Just turn off your phone, leave it for at least 60 seconds and then turn it back on to solve the problem. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and leave it for at least 60 seconds and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is check your sound settings. Sometimes faulty sound settings can be the reason for this issue. You might have lowered your iPhone's volume to its lowest or switch on silent mode. Check if the iPhone's volume is up. For this, go to settings and then scroll down and then tap on sound and haptics and then drag the slider to right side to increase the volume and you are done. And also see if the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone is off. To confirm it is off, make sure that it is facing toward the direction of the screen, or you should not see orange color on the side of the button and you are done. And the next step is make sure do not disturb is disabled. For this, swipe down from the top right side to open control center and then tap on do not disturb mode and then tap on it again to disable it and you are done. And also you should clean your receivers and speaker. Use a small soft bristle brush to clean the port on the speaker receiver if necessary. And the next step is updating iOS. Regularly updating your device guarantees the most recent security patches and performance enhancement. An incompatible earpiece can result from using an old version of iOS. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now option and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is reset settings or perform a factory reset. If you have tried everything but didn't work, then restoring it from a factory backup is the last resort. All of your iPhone's data and configurations will be deleted. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on erase all content and settings and then tap on continue to confirm. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction for factory reset and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone only works on speaker. Also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.